Oh my goodness me. This place is absolutely magical. We got Lombok here. We've got Bali all the way in the distance. That is absolutely out of this world. Monday the 7th of April here in Gili, Indonesia. It's a hot one, it's a humid one. We're going on an adventure. Water has been purchased, 10,000 rupiah, not too bad, especially for a remote island in the Bali Sea. Today I'm actually going to be heading to go snorkeling. Going to go snorkeling in what is told to be one of the best snorkeling locations in all of Indonesia. There's turtles, there's fish, sometimes there's even sharks as well. So we're heading now, but before, I'm gonna get some lunch. A late lunch, it's already gone 3 PM. Had quite a lot of work to catch up on this morning. I'm gonna get a burger. Alright, apparently there's a turtle, so I'm gonna go out and see him. That turtle was particularly special. It was absolutely massive. But just have a look at where we are right now, right out here in the middle of the Bali Sea. Of course, we've got the shoreline over there. I'm gonna have a look around for some more turtles. Of course, everyone's kind of flocked to that one. That is the most amazing turtle I have ever seen. It was so big, it was so clear, amazing. I have to remind myself a great white shark was actually spotted in Nusa Penida just last week. Nusa Penida's not too far in that direction, so there is a threat of great white sharks and other shark species in these waters. I'm not going to go out too much further. I don't want to put myself at any kind of risk. With Australia just an hour and a half in that direction, it's no wonder these massive sea creatures make their way. They migrate to these warmer waters, especially heading towards Australia wintertime, which is of course our summertime back in the UK. But look, this is where we are. This is what we're doing. The rest of the idea for this afternoon, I'm going to head down to the south of the island. There's a really pretty area of beach down there. I'm going to head down there to show you that this evening. That is literally heaven on earth here in Gili. And I need to get out some money because of course tomorrow heading back to Bali, and then of course enjoying another week here before we head to our next destination, which I'm gonna need to catch up with you at some point about. It's not something I'm gonna speak about today. I'm gonna save that for tomorrow. But it's not Australia. Spoiler alert, it's not Australia. A little bit disappointed to reveal that. It's not Australia. Oh man, this is just out of this world. We've got Lombok, we've got Bali and its volcanoes in the distance, and just a wonderful sunset it's about to be as well. This place is just fantastic. And oh man, I think this really does just go to show there is so much more to Indonesia than Bali. If you haven't considered coming to the Gili Islands, let this be your reason to consider them, because this is just amazing. The ocean's calm, it's warm, it is so blue. It looks like something out the Gatorade factory, doesn't it? It's just amazing. And this sunset, oh dear me, look at that. Look at that. I've actually now booked a hotel to stay and a boat from here in Gili Air to first of all to Lombok and then across to Padang Bai before getting a shuttle bus to Ubud, where I'm going to be staying for the next 4 days. From Ubud, I'm not really too sure where I'm going to go. It's either going to be Uluwatu or Chengdu. It really does depend. I'll be meeting up with a friend who moved to Australia last year at some point in the week, as he's come to Bali at the same time, which is just pot luck. Of course, looking forward to meeting up with Liam at some point in the next week. But for now, I'm just going to enjoy my remaining time out here in the Gili Islands. I absolutely love this place. It's nice to finally be feeling better after what, nearly 2 weeks now of just feeling really rough, really under the weather. And yeah, to actually be feeling good again is such a blessing. Amazing. Back from dinner, I went for a fried noodle. It's just gone 10 PM, and something I forgot to show you when I did my room tour of my hotel the other day. If you look very carefully, I know it's the same colour as the floor. This hotel room actually comes with a complimentary kitty. Would you look at him? Hello. Hey. Hello. He's purring, bless him. He's the cat that every single time I open that door, he comes, he runs, he meows. Oh, okay, you want to go? You want to go? Okay, no worries. He just comes in and makes himself at home. And look, if I open the door to let him out, let me show you. Going out? Psst. Hello? Look, he just isn't interested. He wants to stay. So, yeah, I mean, for as long as he wants to stay, of course, if he starts getting itchy feet and starts meowing at me, I will be letting him out. But it's my last night here in this place. He's got lovely blue eyes, isn't he? Look, oh, you can't really see. But this is the hostel cat. He's called Gato, which is cat in Espanol, which is a very fitting name, especially I'm wearing a Madrid shirt. Harlem Madrid. Tomorrow it is Arsenal versus Madrid, so I'm going to Real Madrid. I'm going to be taking this shirt off. Trust me, we want obviously Arsenal to do a madness. It's very unlikely, but I wanted to end off this video not by showing you the cat as much as, I mean, he's a lovely kitty as you can see. But what I did want to talk to you about is that tonight is actually exactly 1 month till I go home. You'll have to excuse the mess. This is, yeah, quite a state. I have to obviously tidy this up once I'm finished. But yeah, as I was saying, just 1 month remaining. 1 month left. 1 month. Oh, you want to go? He wants to go. Yeah, 1 month remaining until I head back to home. Going back to London via Jeddah in Saudi Arabia. I've got a flight on the 8th of May. I think he wants to go. You want to go? Come on then. There you go. You going? Are you going? There you go, he's gone. Bless him. As I'm filming this right now, it's the 7th, alright? I'm flying home on the 8th, but at 2 o'clock in the morning Kuala Lumpur time, which is about 7 PM in the UK. That's why I'm saying it's a month today, because when I'm back in the UK time at least, it will be the 7th when I leave. I'm flying to Jeddah from Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia, my favourite country so far. Of course, a quick 2-hour layover in Jeddah and then a shorter 6-hour flight from Jeddah back to London. And then of course I'm meeting up with my family. They're going to pick me up from the airport. My mum, my dad, my brother. I am so excited to see them. Of course, this is by far the longest I've been away from home, the longest I've been alone as a solo traveller, and to meet up with my family again at Heathrow Airport, having just gotten off like a 15-16 hour flight, is going to be so nice. Well, look, I don't want to wish this trip away. We've got some really cool plans coming up over the next couple of weeks. As I say, I was originally going to Australia. I'm going to leave that on a bit of a cliffhanger right now as to why I'm no longer going to Australia. In actual fact, I think that's something that I'll speak about tomorrow. So tomorrow heading back to Bali, Indonesia, obviously here in the Gili Islands, part of Lombok. I've got a long travel day tomorrow. It could be the perfect, most fitting time to discuss why I'm not going to Australia. I'm going to make the video, I guess, as a bit of a warning to anyone that's planning on going to Australia, not to make the same mistakes as I did on my visa. As, yeah, let's just say I'm not allowed to go, and it's something that I didn't realise you could do wrong, but I did wrong. It's a very silly mistake. I'll talk about it tomorrow. You have to come back and watch my next video. But look, guys, I appreciate you all joining me today. I really do. I've been Matt. You're all so kind for watching once again. I seriously appreciate you joining me. We've been here now for over 6 months. We've got 1 month left. The 7.5-month trip around Southeast Asia is soon to be coming to an end. But don't worry, that doesn't mean the traveling stops. As I said last week, I've already booked my one-way flight to South America. I'm going to be going home for a couple of weeks just to relax and recover, and obviously spend time with my friends and family before we go once again. So, I'm Matt. You're so kind for watching. Appreciate you joining me along the way, and hit that like button if you enjoyed today. That turtle I saw was absolutely amazing. It was a ginormous bloody thing. I'm so glad I got to see that. But look, I'm not going to say it again, but you're all kind. You've been awesome. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in my next